let me show you what you need to know about this under the cabinet light. They call it under cabinet light LED lights, but it's much more than this. It does come with magnets and 3M tape behind those magnets that literally will stick to pretty much any surface. So whether it's under cabinets in your bathroom, your kitchen, or even in your office, or really anywhere you want, you don't have to really put it under anything. If it needs to be shown, it looks super nice. It doesn't kind of like catch the eye, except for how nice looking and modern looking it does look. And also the light is so nice and soothing, I find, the way it comes out of. But the cool thing about this particular product is that these LED lights actually can be adjusted or customizable. So if you get more than one, you can actually connect them together and make a long light bar. So that's pretty cool. But the cool thing about this one as well is that it does come with, and I'm going to show it to you like this, with a little door or sensor, right? This is what you would put on your door. And check this out. I'm hoping you can see the light right below me. So this would be on your door, and if the door opens, it turns on the light. If the door closes, it turns off the light. How cool is that? So if it's in a closet, it would work fantastically. If it's in the bathroom, even better. If you've got young kids that need a light to be turned on, but you don't want the light to be turned on always, you can do that every time the door opens. How amazing is that? And then when it is open, you can control the intensity. You can also control the actual color of the LED bar, warm, cool, or bicolor. I think this thing is fantastic. It works super well. It is so easy to pair. Literally, there's a pair button right here. You press it for about 3 seconds. The thing flashes, and you just press the one button, the whole panel. You just press the whole panel, and it pairs automatically. That's how I love these gadgets to work, when it's flawless, when it's easy, super easy to use. And again, look at that. So simple and so well thought of. Love it.